Hey folks, Captain Mark here from King's Landing Sport Fishing. I want to give you a quick, I'm going to call it a public service announcement. If you know me, you know that I really like to use these Dreamweaver Ninja, the large size planer boards. You can actually see right here, I got a whole bunch hanging behind me, 4. I've got some new ones I just got from Dreamweaver in the package here. I like to use these, like to have spares. So, you know, what am I talking about? Like, these are great boards, they pull really good. I've pulled 300, 350, 400 weighted steel with flashers, meat rigs behind these with no problem. They're great boards. There's just one issue. When I'm putting them down on the floor and I step on them, I break the piece. And that's a problem because now this board I thought was useless. So this is a public service announcement. Our friends at Dreamweaver sell a replacement piece. If you do this to your board, if you step on it, do not throw the board out. I was going to start modifying, getting out crazy glue, you name it. All I need is a Phillips screwdriver. Undo the 2 screws. I'm doing this, you see how quick this is? Undo the 2 screws. Get the 2 plastic pieces out of the way. Take the new arm. Slide the new arm in. You want to slide it in so the clip goes in, so it goes in place of the little trigger. Put my screws back in here. And tighten it back up. I think these pieces here, I can't remember exactly the cost, but I want to say they were like $8 to $10 US. I did have to buy them from Dreamweaver. I'm not aware of anyone in the Toronto area that sells these clips, but I just fixed my Dreamweaver Ninja board. That easy. Works. Brand new arm. Brand new pad. I was so sad. Thought I was going to have to throw it away, and it's fixed. Because I had 4. This is number 5. I used to have 6. Lost number 6. I just bought 3 more. I'm now back at 4 of each side. Oh, I never had 4 of each side. I had 3 of each side. But now I've got 4 of each side. Great boards. Super easy. Public service announcement. You break your arm, you can fix it. Don't worry about it, folks. Talk to you later. Good luck. If you don't have boards, I don't sell these on my site. But they're awesome. I get them through Dreamweaver, I buy them direct, or I buy them at Grimsby Tackle or some of the local tackle shops. These things rock. That's it, folks. Have a great day. Bye.